Yes. So today topic is multiply any number into teens. Okay. Multiply any number into teens. Okay. So what we need to do is, so for example, take 85632 times 16. Okay. So first we need to add 0 prior to the number, that is like prefix the number left hand side number with 0. Then we need to take the, sorry, you missed something, 3 2, and then we need to take this 6. If it is 16 we need to take 6. If it is the 18 we need to take 8. If it is the 14 we need to take 4. Okay, so that here we have 16, I have taken 6. Now we need to start from the direction right. Okay, and add the number which is right to it. Okay, 6 times 2 is 12. There is nothing to add because right hand side we don't have any number to 2. And 6 times 3 is 18, plus we have in this direction we need to add 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2 20. 6 times 6 it is 36 plus 3 39. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 6 36. 6 times 8 48 plus 5 53. Then finally 6 times 0 is 0 plus the 8 08. Clear? Apply carry-out rule. 2 1 plus 0 1. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 11. 1 is written in the answer. 1 is given to the next number as a carry. And 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 6 10. 0 is written in the answer. 1 is given to the next number. Then 3 plus 1 7. Then 8 plus 5 13. Answer is 1370112. So this is any number into teens method. This is how we do. I hope you understand.